Oh man.
Sorry.
No, who's in like the one suit, like the big massive suit, like the suit.
Damn, sorted my ass.
Person in the yellow.
Hello.
We can talk about this. Person in the yellow. We can talk. I said we can talk about this. Okay, person in the yellow.
Oh, that's not fair. I just happen to spawn next, or you just happen to spawn next to me.
Bro, how does
Over
he
there.
just know exactly where I am? These kids are so annoying.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Construction.
Go off the map.
See ya.
Never mind.
Miss me.
Bro, what the hell? This dude is so...
I was heading for the water.
What?
Mom.
Fuck. Bitch, hello. Damn, fuck me up. Oh,
There you go.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
I owed you that one, Jeep.
Yeah, you did.
No.
Come on back out here. No! No!
Turn me into a
I don't
newt.
know where you are.
Ways to die. Hello?
hello. You spawned right in front of me. Hello. Oh,
Ways to die.
Hello.
Alright, let's calm down here, person.
yeah.
Yeah! No! That's garbage.
And you, what are you doing?
So
Wait,
much
when
to
you're
this
down
stupid as hell.
in by the water, how do you get back on top? You gotta just climb.
You have to climb.
Climb.
Can't. You gotta jump in the water. There's no way back up. Why is there
Like,
two of
snuck up
you?
on you.
I don't like people.
Yeah.
Who
It's
the
really
hell?
annoying.
Just a bit. Now, we have a human being up on top of the big box. We can talk about this.
Oh my god!
Ow, stop shooting me.
Magical.
Ow, 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 ow. Hold up, I'm trying to...
What are we going for? 50? Holy poop.
Ways to die. Bum, bum, bum. Bummity bum. Ah!
He's vicious.
Dumb ways to die.
I did not mean to select an op.
Get out. Yeah.
Fuck. Yeah.
Hello, mate. Oh, damn
Ow.
it.
No.
Let's go, mate.
Oh, frick. Who is it?
I was like, good lord, why are you still alive?
What? No more.
Bum. Bum, bum, bum.
Oh, that's
Oh, no.
crazy. I'm coming to get straw.
No! Okay, there.
How the hell did you do that? I watched you die and then come back to life.
Why are you not dead?
I had my hands up. You weren't supposed to be shooting at me.
I'm still gonna kill you. Hey, oh.
No, don't die.
I'm
Don't kill
right.
me.
Cadet.
I finally got a kill.
Let's go.
Oh, I was shooting a predator.
No,
Caught me
no.
while
Hi.
I my soul, man.
Is he here?
I'll just let you sit in that for a second.
Yeah, thank you. Fuck. There's one behind me.
Yeah,
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, I just killed
Uh,
myself. God damn it.
Come back.
Choo choo.
Love you too, babe.
Oh, nice.
Why? He need to come inside?
Woo! In the face.
Hello.
Oh, that's nonsense. You did not.
Did you see what I just did? That was amazing. I just tucked my hand under me as I flew over you.
I'm sorry. You're standing there and going, "Did you see what I just did? I'm amazing." All right.
No,
That's a
like
little
it
too
was
much.
not I'm amazing. Like wow, I've never seen that done. It was a neat thing that I've never seen before. I don't mean it like cocky. It was just fascinated.
Oh my
Jesus
gosh, I'm
I'm-
literally
I'm
second
just
on
giving
the
you
I
nonsense.
died
This is all I'm
22
doing.
times.
Okay, vote Skippy.
Hmm.
So which one are we doing now?
Skippy.
Never done Skippy.
Skippy? No. It's hot, like a Walmart sale. Kmart
No.
special.
Kmart is the blue light special.
Oh, yeah.
Right, is there gonna be a super jump?
Shit.
This is a